Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make refreshing mint lemon juice. First, gather your ingredients: fresh lemons, a handful of mint leaves, some sugar, and cold water. For a standard pitcher, about 4 to 5 medium-sized lemons should be perfect. Make sure your mint is fresh and vibrant for the best flavor. This simple recipe is perfect for any occasion. Next, let's prepare our key ingredients. Wash your lemons thoroughly and then slice them into rounds or wedges, making sure to remove any seeds. For the mint, gently muddle the leaves in a pitcher or a bowl. This step is crucial as it releases those wonderful aromatic oils without making the mint taste bitter. A muddler works best, but the back of a spoon is a great alternative. Now it's time to bring everything together. Place your sliced lemons and muddled mint into a large pitcher. Add your sugar. Starting with about 1/2 cup is a good idea, but feel free to adjust it to your preferred sweetness. Pour in approximately 4 cups of cold water. Stir everything thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves, ensuring all the flavors meld beautifully. Finally, for the best experience, refrigerate your mint lemon juice for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to fully develop and ensures a wonderfully refreshing drink. Before serving, you might want to strain the mixture to remove the lemon pulp and mint leaves for a smoother texture. Pour over ice, garnish with a fresh mint sprig and a lemon slice, and enjoy your homemade beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.